the bank records of the Vice President. So, does this mean na hindi na yun on the table, hindi na pwedeng mag-motion about that, or pwede pa rin yun i-put forward, pwede pa rin mag-move yung kahit sinong member ng Justice Committee for subpoena of the bank records of the Vice President at a later part?
Since the request is not withdrawn as well, then I must say that the request is continuing.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Inireklamo na sa Ombudsman sina Batangas 2nd District Representative Jinky Luistro at mga opisyal ng DPWH Batangas dahil sa umano'y overpriced Cat's Eye Project na binaklas din kalaunan. Narito ay
Sada ang susukatin. Ang kanilang estimated overpricing aabot sa 75.7 million pesos. Kung pagbabasehan ang DPWH Detail Unit Price Analysis na una nang inilahad ni Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong.